Hi and welcome back to another video where I will be going through the process of doing a EV swap on my 350Z. It's a Tesla engine that's going inside it. So in the last video I removed the stock engine and here I am. The first time I'm sitting in the engine bay of a 350Z. It's quite comfortable actually. It's plenty of space to fit the batteries here in front. I know I said in earlier videos that it's going to be a BMW i3 battery pack, but the plan is changed. So I went for batteries from A123 Systems. They are brand new lithium packs, so I believe they will give me more power than the BMW i3 pack was capable of. Not as much range, but I think it will be fine anyways. So in this video I will be taking out some of this. I don't need it anymore, and I will clean up the engine bay. So tag along. Well, here I am doing my first voiceover. The microphone did not like me holding the camera, so the audio wasn't worth keeping at all. I'm not saying more than that I have removed the heater hoses and I had to cut the AC line because they were a pain in the ass to remove. And I am planning on using the AC in the future, but it will be electric, so I have to make custom lines anyways. Those things that I left were like ABS unit, the assisted steering, the assisted brakes, and they will also work assisted in the future, but for now I won't focus on that, so that's a future step. Now I'm very white. Look like a ghost. Much better. Since I'm not able to take it outside and power wash it, I am using the Meguiar's multi-purpose cleaner, their new one. It's very good on dirty stuff, on oily stuff, on everything, and you don't need water. So this one I will be using, but I have another bottle for it, but it's the same. This is the all-purpose cleaner or the multi-purpose cleaner. So the batteries are in. well, technically not in as they should be. I just had to try to test fit and see how big they actually are. They are bigger than I expected. I thought I could stack 3 of them on top, but that's clearly not possible. These are 2 out of 6 modules that going in. So probably I will slide these 2 into the tunnel where the gearbox was, and I will have 2 in front and 2 on top. I think that would give me a quite good weight ratio with the Tesla unit in the back. So that's about it. These will be air cooled for in the beginning, but probably will make some liquid cooling for them. Depends on how the temperature is going, but I believe they will be liquid cooled later, so I can beat the shit out of them without risking me blowing up. Not much else to say. I will be back in the next video, so like, share, subscribe, and I will see you guys in next video. Bye!